the Concise RDWorks Learning Lab with Russ Sadler. Session 4, the laser tube.
Now here we've got the subject of the next two sessions, the laser tube and the high voltage power supply. Now the laser tube in itself is quite a large subject to tackle, so I'm going to push the power supply aside and we'll deal with that as a separate entity. Now in the last session we spoke about the laser beam itself, and the purpose of this session is to show you where and how that laser beam is generated. Well, in the first session we talked about atoms. It didn't have all this little complicated bit in the middle, it was just one lump. You'll see that there are an equal number of electrons which are negative, balancing a set of protons which are in the core which are positive. So everything is nicely in equilibrium. Not all these orbits are the same as shown in this diagram here. Some of them are further out than others, which means that these electrons that are further out from the core are vulnerable to being attracted or displaced out of their orbit, which is going to make the atom a little bit unstable. Gas does not conduct electricity, and that's because everything is nicely stable.